Hey guys, if you want to get the most out of Skrill, avoiding unnecessary fees is essential. Skrill charges fees for currency conversion, certain withdrawals, and some international transfers. But with a few small moves, you can minimize them. Step 1. Use the same currency for transactions whenever possible. For example, if your account is in USD, pay merchants and withdraw in USD. This avoids Skrill's 3 to 4% conversion fee. Step 2. Enable Skrill VIP status if you meet the transaction threshold. VIP members enjoy lower fees on withdrawals, currency conversions, and transfers. Okay. Step 3. Use bank transfers over card withdrawals. Okay. That basically a card may charge up to 7% per transaction, while local bank withdrawals are often free or much cheaper. Okay. Step 4, Send money to other Skrill users instead of banks for international transfers. Peer-to-peer transfers are free in most cases. Pro tip, keep a secondary Skrill wallet in another currency you frequently use. This avoids repeated conversions and reduces fees when making purchases overseas. Follow these steps and your Skrill experience will be much more cost efficient. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.